Hello and welcome back to my channel Norina with decor, your favorite spot. A big hello to my amazing audience. Let's enjoy today's video together. I'm so happy to see you here again. Thank you so much for clicking this video. I hope you are doing great today. So guys, if you are new here and you like my videos, then please don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel and make sure you press the bell icon so you don't miss any other amazing designs. I love sharing new and easy ideas with you. Your support means a lot to me. Let's enjoy today's video together. I hope you will find something useful today. Please give this a video like if you enjoy today's video. Let's keep growing and learning together. You are not just a viewer, you are part of my YouTube family. Thanks for spending your time with me. So please guys, watch this video till the end. In today's video I'm talking about wooden project ideas in different styles, color combination and sizes. So you can please visit my channel and also do try my home decor ideas at your home. I make this video with a lot of love, so stay with me till the end of the video so you don't miss any other amazing designs. Every wood have a piece of story. Let's discover it together. I hope this video inspire you for more on space. Please give this video a like if you enjoy wooden art. Your support helps me create more for you. I love reading your comments. Keep them coming. Simple wooden can bring warm beauty to any home. Let's make your space more cozy and charming. Stay with me till the end. I have something lovely to show you on daily basis. I bring new ideas from wooden. You are part of my YouTube family. Wooden decor brings warmth and natural beauty to any home. You don't need expensive items, just simple wood and a little creativity. Today I will show you how to use wooden pieces to make your space at your home. Create or even wooden blankets, paint them, polish them or leave them natural and stylish, look lovely. Wall shelves made of wood are not lovely, useful but also stylish. You can also decorate a corner with a small wooden ladder and a stool. If you like wooden plants stand and amazing in my any room. Try mixing wood with lights like a fairy light or soft lamp. Natural wooden tones much with almost every home decor. Thank you so much for spending your time with me, and thanks for those people who watch my video with the notification. Stay with me till then. I will see you tomorrow in the next video. Till then, please take care of yourself and the people around you. I hope you guys like today's creation, and please subscribe for more wooden every day. Thank you so much for spending your time with me.